Okay, there we go. Are you a new streamer on Facebook Gaming? You read all of the rules and requirements that Facebook is asking from you, yet you are still lacking requirements. A lot of my fellow streamers right now are experiencing that situation right now, which is why in today's video I will be explaining how to unlock the Facebook Level Up program. What is going on, guys? My name is JB and I am a streamer with 200 followers and have officially unlocked the Facebook Level Up program in only 2 weeks, guys, and I will teach you guys how today. If you guys would like to check me out, all the links to my social media and my Facebook gaming page are in the description below. I stream on Facebook Gaming Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. Also, we are doing a giveaway on the official JB Gaming Facebook page, so you guys should definitely check that out. Before we get into the actual requirements, guys, I bet a lot of you are asking me, JB, why do I even need? Why do I want to? What is the big deal about this Facebook Level Up program anyway? Well, to answer that question, guys, if you unlock the Facebook Level Up program, you will have the ability to enjoy the following benefits. The first benefit is that you get customized support on Facebook. I'm not really sure what that means, but I guess it has something to do with access to special resources if you have a problem and have to contact Facebook customer support. So that's pretty sweet, right? You guys have better access to support if you have any issues with Facebook. So that's something that you may want to have. The next benefit of unlocking the Facebook Level Up program is the ability, guys, to transcode in 1080p 60 frames per second, which is one of the main reasons why I really wanted to unlock the Facebook Level Up program. A lot of new streamers probably don't know this, but when you are a beginner streamer on Facebook Gaming, you are only allowed to transcode in 720p 30 frames per second. If you try to transcode anything higher than that, Facebook does get mad at you and you will have problems. If you try to transcode anything higher than that, the Facebook Creator Studio will not be happy with it. You'll experience issues and sometimes the stream just cuts off completely. Now you guys will be able to stream and transcode at a much higher frame rate, 1080p 60 frames per second. Of course, we cannot leave out the main reason why people want to unlock the Facebook Level Up program, and that is access to Facebook stars. Yes, guys, if you unlock the Facebook Level Up program, you have the option to allow your fans to send you Facebook stars, which is Facebook's currency and how you can earn money. Right now, 100 Facebook stars is equivalent to $1 US. You also get limited access to beta products and features. Again, I've never experienced that yet, but at least you have the capability, guys. And lastly, you unlock the ability to be invited to exclusive groups and communities with other Facebook Level Up creators. Alright, so now you guys know the why, and now I will tell you the how. Make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more videos on how to grow on Facebook Gaming. As you guys can see on the screen right now, we are actually viewing this from the official Facebook Level Up instructions that it gives you. If you guys want to check this out, it is in the description below, so you guys can follow along as well. It says here how to apply. The first one is create a gaming video creator page. Now, guys, I will post a video in the future on how to create a Facebook gaming page. But for now, the important thing is when you make a page on Facebook, you have to make sure the category you add is a gaming video creator, guys. And I will show you how to do that right now. Alright, guys, so this is the part where I teach you guys how to make sure your page is a gaming video creator, guys. In this case, we will be making a brand new page so that we can test it out. So let's see. Let's go over here. So all you have to do is create a new page, right? Create page, and then make sure it's a community or public figure or business, whatever you guys like. So let's just name this test page for the YouTube. Oh, there we go. And here it is, guys. Here it is, guys. The category, once again, it's gaming video creator, guys. There it is. That is the most important thing to make sure that your page is, so you guys can get that first requirement, create a gaming video creator page. So if we click continue here, then we will finally have our page. I already have a page and
I set the category to a different one. So I will teach you guys how to do that right now. Let's go to my page. So this is my page, guys. This is JB Gaming. This is my personal page, and all you have to do, so we have 208 followers, and this is my logo. Okay, so anyway, so all you have to do is go to the settings, guys. All you have to do is go to the settings, and then all you have to do is go to page info. And here it is, guys. All you have to do is change the category from whatever you have else to put gaming video creator. That is the secret, guys. All you need is this. That's what you need. Gaming video creator. Not gamer, not video game lover. No, it has to be gaming video creator.
The next requirement, guys, it says right here, stream gaming content with game tag for at least 4 hours in the prior 14 days. Now, what does that mean, guys? You need to stream at least 4 hours in the last 14 days. And with that being said, you have to make sure you tag the game, guys. You have to make sure that you tag the game so that it will count for your 4 hours in the last 14 days.
Alright guys, here we are once again, Editor JB. So now I will teach you guys how to tag your games properly. So all you have to do is before you go live, so let's go to Creator Studio. That's how you post things live. And these are all the stuff you guys can see, all the analytics and everything. So here, let's create a post and let's go live. Okay, so we're going live. Let's say we're going live, guys. Okay, this is just a test anyway. So now here we have officially opened up the Facebook Creator Studio. So now this is the very, very important step that a lot of people forget. So camera, stream key. Okay, so here, shared web page you manage, JB Gaming, title. So title. Okay, say something. Description. Okay, there it is. Description. Okay, whatever. Description, right? Okay, next. Here is the important step, guys. You see this? Tag a game. This is where you tag your game. So let's say Dota 2. A lot of people, right, do not get this step right.
The problem that people are having right now is they are not tagging their games properly, guys, so it does not count to their 4 hours in the last 14 days. You have to make sure you tag your game and to make sure that you are playing the game you are tagged in. Do not do what a lot of people are doing right now. They are tagging games and not playing that game, because if you guys can read on the screen right now, that is in violation of the requirements. You guys can get in serious trouble for that, and it will make your eligibility to apply for the Facebook Level Up program, it would make it a lot of a longer and tedious process. Also, guys, the people that are really experiencing this problem are mobile gamers, guys. Yes, I know a lot of you mobile gamers are having trouble with this. You guys are streaming games straight from your phone using a software called Omelet Arcade straight from your phones, and the problem with that is, guys, when you try to stream from Omelet Arcade, guys, it says that it tags the game automatically, guys. Guys, do not, I repeat, do not rely on automatic tagging. That is how you get in trouble. Why? You can stream for 4 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours. You can stream for a whole day, and it would never ever count to your 4 hours and 14 days requirement because you did not tag the game properly. Do not rely on any automatic tagging, and make sure you tag the game manually within your software. I have never used Omelet Arcade software because the software that I use is Visor. Yes, I use Visor. The link will be in the description below. I use Visor along with OBS. Visor is a software that I use to stream my phone to my computer, and then I control everything and stream everything with OBS. They're not sponsoring me, but those are the software that I use. The next requirement here is streaming gaming content for at least 2 days in the prior 14 days. Now, this is pretty self-explanatory. You have to stream for at least 2 days. But again, this goes with the requirement that I was talking about earlier. If you stream, you have to make sure that you tag your game, guys. Make sure you tag your game, and make sure if you're using mobile software like the Omelet Arcade software a lot of people are using, make sure you tag your game properly, and make sure you do not rely on any automatic tagging, because you are risking not being credited for the hours you're putting into your stream. Once again, you could stream for 24 hours, however, you will not be getting accreditation for any of it because you failed to tag your game. Next, guys, you have to have at least 100 people follow your page. That is the next requirement, guys. That's pretty self-explanatory. You need 100 people to follow your page. Now, pro tip. I said follow. The Facebook instruction says follow, not like. Now, you might be telling me, but JB, follow, like, same thing. No, it's not. Why? Because as of 2020, May 2020, when somebody likes your page, automatically they are a follower. However, they also have the option to remain liking your page. However, they can unfollow you. So make sure that when you tell people, hey, when you like and you follow, please do not unfollow me. Make sure that when you say 100 followers, that's 100 followers and not 100 likes. Because yes, a like equals a follow, but they have the option to unfollow you later on, but still remain like to your page. So that's something to keep in mind, guys. The next requirement here, it says right here, page needs to be active for at least 14 days. Now, what does that mean, guys? It means that your page has to be public and posted and live for at least 14 days. It does not mean you need to be posting 14 days in a row. A lot of people make that mistake. That's not what it means, guys. All it means is you have to have your page live, posted, and public for 14 whole days, and that is how you will achieve this requirement. The next requirement that they're asking for, guys, is the admin of the page has to be 18 years old or older. Now, if you are a younger streamer, guys, make sure you ask help from your parents, because you do have extra stuff that are required from you. Yes, your parents have to fill out some extra stuff. They have to give their consent. They're allowing you to stream and everything. And I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure you have to be 13 years old and older in order to be a content creator on Facebook gaming. So that's something to keep in mind, guys, because Facebook does have pretty strict rules about minors on their platform and minors being content creators. So again, I think it's like 13 years old, and you have to ask your parents for permission, and they have to give a consent. But don't quote me, I am not 100% sure, but I do know that the admin of the page has to be 18 years old and above. The last requirement, guys, is usually the requirement that a lot of people have trouble with, and that is meets monetization and community standards. That is always the requirement that people have trouble with the most. And why? Because, guys, you should really take the time to read these community standards and monetization policies. There are a bunch of rules that you need to follow, and make sure that you're not accidentally breaking any one of these rules. I'm not going to get into everything in this video, but you have to take time, and I will mention some of the ones that I remembered. So, no cursing, guys, no objectionable content, anything about, super out there, super arguable, just don't risk it, guys. You guys have to behave. The mindset that I always like to have, guys, is pretend that you're working for Disney, Coca-Cola. Look for a super G-rated company and ask yourselves, would Nemo, Cars, would those companies be comfortable with affiliating themselves with my content as a creator here on Facebook Gaming? You got to ask yourself that. So in your mind, you're working for Disney, you're working for Cars, you are one of those people working for that super G-rated company, and avoid anything that will get you in trouble, such as cursing or anything that I said earlier. So please take time to read the community standards and Facebook monetization policies, so it will expedite your application to the Facebook Level Up program. And that is it, guys. If you follow all those things, you are on your way to unlocking the Facebook Level Up program. Remember, the Facebook Level Up program is different than becoming a Facebook affiliate. There will be a different video for that coming up soon. So that is all, guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, ask me any other questions that I did not cover in this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.